Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Just Vlogs UK. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys will like watching my videos. I hope if you do like it, then like, share, subscribe to my channel. Uh, in this video, I'm going to share my daily routine, what actually I do in the daytime, in my morning actually, because the hectic morning is really hectic, as all you knows. These dishes was my morning dishes after we had breakfast, everyone. And this container, you can see I wanted to take this plastic off, but it was a bit hard to take off. Then I thought, you know what, it's wet, I'm gonna leave it alone for a bit, and once I'm finished washing up the dishes, then I can actually rub it off nicely and take it off. I'm gonna try to take it off with my scrubber. If it doesn't come off, then I'm gonna actually take it off with my scrubber and with my hands first. So because of my dishwasher is broken at the moment, I cannot use it. There is something up with it. We're trying to sort it out, but it's gonna take away a couple of weeks. So that's why I have to wash up all of the dishes by hand. I don't care, and it doesn't really matter to me because we know we haven't got many dishes to wash. We only got a little bit wash up to do, but still all day I get tired because the whole day dishes, yeah, I get tired with that. I'm not gonna clean up the sink today because I'm planning to do this tomorrow, because I'm gonna soak some of my gas hobs, I forgot what they're called now, but I need to do those. Look here, I was trying to scratch it with my nail because that's the nail, and it was hot water, which is gonna mess my fingers up. Yes, I know. And this strainer, I always leave it in my sink so kitchen sink stays nice and clean. Any food doesn't go through the drains. So I just pick this up and throw that away. Here I was trying to clean up this container, which is got cleaned up. Straight after the washing up the dishes, I'm going to clean my hob. So firstly, I'm going to show this. Look at the state of my hob. This is the couple of days I didn't clean the hob because I wanted to make a YouTube video and show you guys how do I actually clean this. I don't really put too much effort to it because yeah, it takes time, but yes, nothing you can do about it. Housework never finishes, like every lady's life, isn't it? Goes with the kitchen. So here I'm using, I forgot to show you guys, but here I'm using the elbow grease, which is my favorite spray ever. This one and Bang. These two are my bestie for the kitchen. This one, elbow grease, and Bang for my lime scales removers for the bathrooms and all of that. Yes, so here I left the spray on for at least 4 to 5 minutes, and now I'm going to start scrubbing it. So with the scrubbing, the spray, when I put it on the chimney upstairs and little bit, I just cleaned those away out first, and now it was the only gas left, hope I mean, and I'm scrubbing it so it got scrubbed. Here I actually put the speed on the video. Actually, in real life, it took me so long, at least 1 hour at least, to clean up the kitchen, hob and dishes, to do all of that. So yes, because my gas hob is a glass one, so once I clean up with the wipe with the cloth, I have to clean up with the tissue as well, dry tissue, because then it brings the shine to my hob. And the square things which you can see here is right in front of you, those ones bit the e as well, these things. So I'm gonna soak them into my sink for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Normally I soak them for the whole night, but today I haven't really got time to do that. Here I'm going to show you my spray. So I'm gonna spray some of the spray on these things, and then they are actually stands, I think, pan stands, I think they're called, I forgot now. So I'm gonna spray on these a lot, and I'm gonna leave it, and as my clothes are dirty, do not look at them. Now it's been 10 to 15 minutes later. I'm gonna start scrubbing them with my favorite liquid, nothing much, and all of these things are gonna come out nice and clean. Of course, they're not gonna change the color, but yes, I'm gonna make them nice because these kind of things to clean them is very important for our hygiene as well. And I didn't actually clean them for a couple of days now, and I wasn't liking it. So then I thought now I'm gonna make the actually video and show you what to actually do. And I had actually some time to do this as well. In a couple of days ago, I didn't really had a time because we was been going out. We went to watch movie and stuff, so I didn't clean it. So now I'm cleaning it. I hope you guys watching my like to watch my videos. If you don't, then it's okay. If you do like it, then like, share, subscribe to my channel, please. Normally I make my videos in Hindi language, but today I made in English because I thought sometime you have to change the subject sometime, and I wanted to make in English. So let's see how do I do with these videos and views, how it goes. If they goes well, then I'm gonna start making in English more and more often. If not, then I'm gonna keep it mostly in a week. I'm gonna couple of times I can do in English or do in Hindi. I'll keep it like that. Keep it as that. Yeah, so let's see. So I'm doing it from upwards and backwards because they both get used. So oil can drop on the floor, on the hob I mean, so with the oiliness, and it goes on the floor. So straight away I'm cleaning this myself as well, my bar I mean, kitchen bar. And as soon as they rinse them out, because they're gonna be wet, I cannot put them on the back on the hob. I'm gonna leave them on this cloth to dry up, at least for until they dry up properly, you know what I mean. I hope you all know what I mean. And after this, I'm going to clean up my toilets. And after all of that, I went for a shower. After the washing the hob and stuff, I've done the bathrooms today, upstairs and downstairs. Is a big job. Today was a proper full cleaning up, decluttering, cleaning the job day. And then I couldn't show you the upstairs bathroom, yes, but I'm showing you just the downstairs one. I cleaned up nicely, shower doors, and in the shower tray, everything. And this is the chair I'm showing, which somebody who cannot stand up and have a shower, they can actually sit down and have a shower, which is comfortable for them and secure, properly secure. It's no dodgy stuff. Yeah, because in the UK, that's how we have showers. We do not sit down or anything, or we don't have a bathtub or anything. We just straight take those things out and have a little shower, whatever, wash up your body and take all of your the out of and that's my sink, glass sink again. And I like free breeze in my bathroom, and that's the relax sign. And these drawers, and we got some stuff in there. And this mat, I forgot to put it back on, and now I can. And I was just gonna go out somewhere now. It's night time, and I'm gonna see you guys soon in the next vlog. This is my sensor bin. I'm not gonna touch it, and I'm not even gonna touch it to close it. You don't have to touch the bin to open or close. That's a measuring tape and a toilet roll, and that was my bathroom. I hope you guys like my video. Like, share, subscribe. If you do, then we going to see you into next video. And let me know if you wanna watch my more English videos or in Hindi. Thank you. Bye bye.